Hi, and welcome to the course, The Patient Experience Matters. How to deliver excellence in patient service at your front desk and office. If your clinical skills are excellent, but you want more patients to come to your office and start recommending you and your staff, then this course is the right one for you. You will be equipped with real-world tips on how to handle different aspects of your service, like telephone skills, effective scheduling, reminders, reactivation and loyal system, referrals, patient control, and team building. Some of the chapters and lectures of this course are also part of other courses that I have done, but for the overall understanding, it is important to have them in this course as well. This course is tailored for dentists, but it also applies to physicians, to office managers, to office administrators, front desk employees, and their teams. Okay? It's about service experience you offer to your patients and how to make it a really good experience. In this course, you will be equipped with skills and ideas that will help you with front desk and patient service excellence. You will find many tips and tricks to help patients have an outstanding service experience in your office. Most of them are easy to implement. This course has been made with 25 years of personal and professional experience and 18 years of own office experiences. I hope you enjoy.